Honor has officially launched the Honor Watch 5 at the Magic 7 Series event. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Honor Watch 5 showcasing groundbreaking features like the Honor North Star positioning system, a one-click health check, and a 10-day eSIM battery life. With its North Star positioning system, the Honor Watch 5 significantly enhances GPS signal strength by 100% over its predecessor, delivering 25% more accuracy for outdoor activity tracking thanks to an ultra-large area antenna. This watch focuses on connectivity and endurance positions it as a game changer in the smartwatch market. The Honor Watch 5 vibrant 1.85 inches AMOLED display with a resolution of 450 by 319 pixels and a smooth refresh rate of 60 Hz present users with sharp, vivid visuals at 322 ppi. Users can personalize their experience with over 5000 watch faces available, offering a fresh look every day. For battery performance, the Honor Watch 5 is the first smartwatch to incorporate a silicon carbon negative battery with a 480 mAh capacity, managed by the Honor Turbo X power management system. This setup delivers up to 10 days of battery life on eSIM mode with typical usage. In sports and health management, the Honor Watch 5 brings advanced new features like the one-click physical examination, a healthy morning report, and an AI fat loss program. Your physical examination lets users check vital health metrics, heart rate, blood oxygen, and stress level with a single tap, producing a personalized health report instantly. The Healthy Morning Report delivers daily insights on the sleep quality and health metrics, offering tailored advice for the day ahead. The AI fat loss program takes a science-backed approach to weight management, making fat loss simpler and more effective. The watch introduces the Honor Magic Ring Trust Ring, which syncs seamlessly with the Honor Magic 7 phones. This feature allows users to stay updated on flights, train schedules, and even local taxis with real-time updates through Magic OS. Dual phone message notification features also alerts users to the updates from their contacts. Available in 5 colors, including Obsidian Black, Morning Gold, Cedar Green, Moon Shadow Grey, and Snow White. The Honor Watch 5 starting price from $140. Honor Watch 5 with sleek design, thickness is 11 mm and weight just 35 grams. It's both stylish and durable with a 5 ATM and IP68 water resistant rating. The Honor Watch 5 not only refined smartwatch functionality but also sets new standards to design and durability, marking a significant addition to Honor's wearable line. That's all for now and thanks for watching.